no sir, can't sleep.
Alright, so we just got back from Mazda, then we went and picked up the wood from my friend that we let borrow it. Now we're gonna throw the 240 up on the wood, and then I'm gonna take the creeper and creep under it.
That's the way they done it. Drinking no sir, can't sleep. Drinking no sir, can't sleep.
What are you doing here? Whoa!
Damn, there's like a fucking smoke cloud.
Bro, there is a clear sign right here. No touchy. Could have got something for that, matter of fact. Dude. Actually, we didn't need that. Yeah, clean. Okay. I need to get this, tried to get the trans issue figured out. The car's still too low to the ground. There's nothing we can really do about that. So I'm gonna let it warm up and see if I can find this real mean coolant leak I got the other day. Really bad. This bumper is held on by literally nothing. a bolt that isn't even threaded in. Fucking under this thing, this bolt not even threaded in. No zip ties, but should be good. All I'm going to be doing is parking it, and eventually I'm going to be refitting the entire body kit. Damn, that fitment though. So that was possibly the last clip of you seeing me do anything really to the 240. Someone's actually coming down to look at it right now to buy it. I have it up on Craigslist right now because I wanted to see if I could get any bites on it, even though I really do want to keep it. I'm kind of looking to get into something that I can build. I thought it was a convenient way to get into drifting by buying a built chassis, but now that I have the car, it's kind of already fully built and there's nothing really fun about that. So I think I'm going to start from somewhere else. Plus I want to do stuff to the Speed 3, or at least get it running, or if not, then start a whole new car. So I'm just gonna pull the 240 into the garage right now and wait for him to get here. He's coming from about 2 hours away, and it's about 3 o'clock right now. That's why we're gonna go in the garage, so there's good lighting. Not sure if I'm gonna film or if I'm not gonna film. Once the guy gets here, I'm probably gonna text him and ask if he's cool with it. I'm sure he wouldn't mind. But it's in, it's right there, and now I'm just waiting for the potential buyer to get here, and we'll see. Maybe I'll have this thing for a little bit longer, but I mean, it's a pretty good deal for what he's paying. I mean, I think we're both gonna walk away happy if the deal goes through. One thing I definitely gotta do is take my holdfast wheel and put on this one, because this is my personal wheel and I don't think this is gonna go with the car. If this doesn't give you anxiety, I don't know what will. The kit for my RC drift car, my tool kit that I bought, is actually what I needed. So I think this should look pretty good. Still works. Works. I think it may be upside down, but fuck 'em. Enjoy, man.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Hey, drive safe, man.